You're busting your ass. You spend hours, days, nights creating. You're pouring your soul into videos, articles, podcasts. You hit publish and you wait. And then, crickets. A few likes. Maybe a comment from your mum. You see others blowing up with what looks like half the effort. You feel that burn in your gut. It's a mix of frustration, exhaustion, and confusion. You're doing the work. You're putting in the reps. So you have to ask yourself the tough question that keeps you up at night. Why is no one seeing my stuff? Why am I getting zero results? This isn't some rare disease. This is the reality for 99% of creators. A pandemic of passion without payback. Running faster and faster but going nowhere. The problem isn't your work ethic. Hard work is one ingredient. You still need wheels, a steering wheel, and a map. Let's get real about this formula. It's not magic, it's math. Visibility, through hard work, X smart consistency, X brand positioning, X timing. Visibility, hard work, smart consistency, brand positioning, timing. If any one part is zero, total visibility is zero. It doesn't matter how hard you work if your consistency is zero. It doesn't matter if you're consistent if your brand is confusing. Every piece matters. Let's break it down. First, hard work. You've got that. Researching, filming, writing, editing. It's your foundation. The price of admission, not the winning move. Visibility isn't a lottery ticket. It's a machine you build, piece by piece. Your content needs a home. A niche gives it one. Stop trying to make content for everyone. Everyone is not your audience. Your audience is a specific person with a specific problem or passion. A vague niche like lifestyle or self-improvement is a death sentence. It's too broad. The algorithm doesn't know who to show your content to. Viewers don't know why they should subscribe. You need to be specific. So specific, it almost feels scary. Human plus AI wisdom is a great example. It's clear. It's unique. It tells you exactly what you'll get. Think of your niche as a promise. Every time you post, you fulfill that promise. If your niche is simple home cooking for busy parents, advanced French pastry breaks the promise. Write down 1. What do I know more about than 90%? 2. Who do I genuinely want to help? 3. What unique perspective can I bring? Pick one, test it for 90 days. If it works, double down. If not, pivot slightly. A sharp niche is your greatest growth hack. It makes you discoverable and builds a loyal community faster. Facts tell, but stories sell. And online, you're selling attention. You have less than 3 seconds to make someone stop scrolling. Your hook is everything. It's the bouncer at the door of your content. If your hook is weak, nobody gets in. Lead with emotion. Create an immediate connection. Start with a personal. Start with a vulnerable. Start with a shocking statement. Try. I wasted 3 years making content nobody saw. It has pain. It has stakes. It promises a lesson learned. Or, I thought I was a failure until I made one tiny change. Framework. Pain. Path. Proof. Start with a short story and relatable pain. State the lesson. Give the solution. Tell them how to apply it. Before you film, write 5 emotional hooks. Read them out loud. Which one makes you feel something? Use that one. Spend 50% of your creative energy on the first 10 seconds. A killer hook turns a passive viewer into an active listener. It's the difference between being scrolled past and being shared. Master the hook, and you'll master the game. The algorithm is a machine. It doesn't have feelings, but it loves patterns. It rewards predictability. Your audience is human. They love knowing when to expect your next piece of gold. You need to build a rhythm, a posting schedule that becomes a habit. Try 2 shorts daily and 1 deep video weekly for 90 days. Think of it as a 1-2 punch. TikToks, Reels, Shorts. They're for discovery, your daily handshake with the world. Your long form is the knockout punch, where you build trust, go deep, and turn viewers into true fans. Shorts bring them in the door. Long form convinces them to stay. The key is sustainability. Don't go hard for a month, then vanish for 2. If 2 shorts a day is too much, start with 1. If weekly deep dives are impossible, Go bi-weekly. Create a simple content calendar. Batch your shorts in one day. Outline deep dives ahead. Systemize to guarantee consistency. Better to post less and be 100% consistent than sporadic bursts. Teach the platform and your people when to show up. Do this, and you'll be in good shape. Step 4. Engage your community with real heart. Your comment section is not a chore. It's a goldmine. Engagement isn't vanity. It's building relationships at scale. When someone comments, they're asking to be seen. Acknowledge them. Don't just heart a comment. Write a real reply. Reply to as many comments as you can in the first hour. It boosts community and distribution. Be proactive. End with specific questions. What's one thing you're struggling with this week? Or share one win today. Pin a comment. Use story polls. Be the host of the party. Your community is a focus group. Their questions and struggles are your next videos. Ask follow-ups. Build threads with massive value. Small, genuine engagement done consistently builds an unbreakable bond. Followers into family. Step 5. Boost your visual energy and professionalism. Your ideas deserve to be presented well. A dark, shaky video with bad audio loses people. Visual energy is about respecting time and removing friction. Start with the basics. Lighting and sound. Non-negotiable. Use your phone. Sit facing a window. Natural light is your best friend. Or get a simple ring light for $20. Don't use a far phone mic. Clip on a cheap lav. Clear audio beats clear video. Keep your edits tight. Cut the ums, ahs, and long pauses. Keep momentum. Use simple subtitles. Many watch with sound off. Make thumbnails bright, clear, simple. Expressive face. 3 to 5 big words. High contrast. The thumbnail's job is to get the click. Project passion. Dial your energy up by 15-20%. Sit up, smile when it fits. Use your hands. Good visual energy is clean technicals plus authentic human passion. Show people it's worth watching. Step 6. Build algorithm trust through smart timing. Consistency is king. Timed consistency is the ace up your sleeve. Posting randomly is a rookie mistake. YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, all learning machines. They look for patterns. Post same days and times. You are training the algorithm. Teach it. At 8 a.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I deliver. Predictability builds platform trust and better initial distribution. Don't guess. Use data. Check audience active times in analytics and pick a 2 to 3 hour window. Choose a time, say 5:30 p.m. Monday, and commit for at least 2 months. Your fans will learn your schedule. Saturday morning deep dives become a routine. You're no longer random. You're a scheduled event. Build trust with format consistency. Titles, thumbnails, repeating brand elements. Make your content instantly identifiable. Familiarity reduces click effort and boosts results. Your next moves, from hard work to smart wins. You've shown up, you've put in the sweat, you care. That fire is yours. All that work is a foundation. Now build the house. Pair your effort with a real strategy. Let's make it simple. Let's make it actionable. Right now. Pick one sharp niche. Write it on a sticky. Put it on your screen. Your North Star. Commit. 2 shorts daily, 1 deep weekly. Calendar it like a CEO meeting. Draft 3 emotional hooks tonight. Feel the difference. Make one small technical fix. Buy a ring light, download a subtitles app, or clean a thumbnail. Look at analytics. Pick your prime time. Lock it. After every post, spend 15 minutes replying with genuine sentences. Ask a question. Start a conversation. Track results. Double down on what works. Drop what doesn't. Test. Learn. Iterate. You have the engine of hard work. Now you have the map. Put it in gear. It's time to drive toward the results you deserve. Let's go.